Okay, so hi dear Virgo, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal love reading for all the Virgo singles for the month of January 2026. I think I forgot to do it for you guys in the previous reading, so I'm doing it now. I got few mails also about it, so okay, I'm really sorry about it. Okay, for personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And I'm conducting a live 7 days workshop for manifestation, and it's going to be life changing. It's definitely going to help you to manifest your dream life, like by unlocking the power of your seven chakras. If you're interested, link is given below in the description box for the same. So let's start. Virgo, your current energies regarding love and relationship area. Your current energies regarding love and relationship. Let's see what we have. Oh, hey. Come here, babe. Yeah. We have Knight of Swords, Three of Wands, Ten of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the King of Swords. Virgo, you are trying your best to run away from all the past experiences that you had in this department of your life. You're looking forward to have that kind of people, that kind of energy, that kind of situations in your life where it's going to be there for you for the long term, whether it's a romantic relationship or it is related to your job, career, finances, or otherwise also in friendships also. You're looking forward to have those kind of energies, those kind of relationships in your life where you are going to get something long term, something committed, something that's going to stick around. Okay, bottom of the deck is the King of Swords. So you have become a little bit of detached and cold. You have become a very rational person, very practical person, or at least you are trying to be, because now you are getting what you want, and if you're not getting it, it's making you frustrated and irritated. So all you want from your side, whatever you want is just that what you want. Okay, it's like no compromise, no negotiables. hmm. Kind of energy for you guys when it comes to your love and relationship area. And it's like you're looking forward to have those people, those situations, those connections, including the romantic ones. And you're trying your best to run away from those things or those people or those situations where you know you're not going to get anything good in return. And you're trying to be extremely rational, cold and off and detached from everything that's not working out for you. Okay, let's see what we have for a new person, new connection, new bond for you guys, Virgo, for this month, for January 2026. We have the Fool card, the King of Swords, the Three of Wands again. For a new person, new energy. Bottom of the deck is the Four of Cups. There is going to be someone in your life with whom you are start a connection. You guys are going to take a step back. You guys are going to detach. You guys are going to become like a stone cold kind of energy, and you guys are going to be like, no, this is not the one for me. This is not the person for me. So I should keep looking forward. Okay. So, Virgo, you might connect with somebody for some time. You guys will have some good time. But one of you is going to realize that this person or this energy, this connection is the not for them. So they are going to leave it behind and keep moving forward in their life. It's going to upset, basically, it's definitely going to upset you. It's definitely going to make you feel a little bit left out in the cold, little bit disturbed also, disappointed also. But at the same time, you're going to realize that you did the right thing by choosing, by not choosing the wrong person here, Virgo. So this connection with somebody, this it's going to be like a, what we call that, short lived kind of a bond. And then you guys are going to realize that this is not good for you or this is not meant for you, and then one of you is going to leave this behind and move forward. It's going to disappoint for some time, but it's actually going to relieve you at the end of the day. Let's see what are your energies from the romance angels for a new person, new connection, new bond, Virgo. Chemistry, there is a strong magnetic attraction here. So I think so there is going to be a very strong pull towards each other at the start of the connection, and you guys might get attracted to each other on a very superficial level. It's like you guys feel attracted, you guys talk, you guys maybe connect or meet, and then you guys are realizing that this is like both of you are from the two opposite worlds, and then you guys will start walking away. Let's see your energies for a past person, past connection, or past situation for this month, Virgo. We have Three of Swords, Ace of Wands, Seven of Swords, bottom of the deck is a High Priestess. There's something deceptive going on here, a third party situation, one of you lying to the other person here, or maybe because of a third party situation, you guys ended the situation between you and them. I do see this desire of maybe having like a brand new beginning, connecting, reconnecting with each other, but at the same time, there is a very heavy and burdensome energy of heartbreak, deception, lies, manipulations, and cheating here. I don't know whether you are cheating on them or they are cheating on you, or one of you did something horribly wrong with the other person behind their back. But there is definitely a sense of deception, heartbreak, and cheating in this situation between you and a past person. Even if there is a desire of connection or reconnection, I don't think so. Things are going to move forward because of this heavy and burdensome energy. Bottom of the deck is a High Priestess. There is going to be silence. Silence. There is silence right now. It is going to be maintained throughout this month. From time to time you might get this desire, you might get this feeling that I should clear the air with the other person here. I should at least from time to time you are going to get this desire, I should clear the air with the other person here. I should at least talk to them honestly and understand why they did whatever they did and all that thing, but it's not going to lead to anything. Okay, let's see your energies for a past person, past situation from the romance angels, Virgo. Children, your love is life is affected by children. Maybe one of you hid from the other person here that they were already married or committed to somebody else, or they were children, they were having children, or one of you is very very immature to handle the situation like kids. Kids might be the issue, children might be the issue in the situation. Okay, if it is not resonating this part, you can just let it go. You don't have to get like stuck on this part, Virgo. But might be one of you cheated on the other person, or they might be having children with other person here, and you got to know about that, and that's very heartbreaking. Or one of you is very very immature, and now you're getting it. Okay, so let me answer one of your questions related to this particular area of your life. This portion also might or might not resonate, Virgo. Please keep that in mind. And I'm going to give you 10 to 15 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can simply pause the video and unpause whenever you feel like. Okay, so let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. And I'm going to give an answer in the next 10 to 15 seconds, and your time starts now. Okay, so the answer to your question is no. It's a clear cut no, so I don't have to explain this to you guys. This is a no for this month. We can check about the answer again maybe next month only, right? So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Virgo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.